Hello, I'm Chris, Viaje Inteligente or Smart Travel. Here from this wonderful view, this apartment that we find so cheap, and I'm so happy to that. And for that, I want to tell you, well, today is so cold. We are about 1 degrees here. You see? Um, Yesterday was snowing, and today is expect the same. But for that recording here because for go out is so frozen, okay? And I want to show you this wonderful apartment that we find there for really cheap, and the apartment is so nice. It's smaller but it's so nice, and I hope that you enjoy the video, and please give me a like and subscribe if you don't do that yet, and see you later. Bye bye. Hello. Come. You are welcome. Bienvenido. No, soviética. Closet. Here, stove with the pan, refrigerator, washing machine, come here, the bed. Nice view. Look at that. Yeah, nice view. Everything is done. Sorry, there's snow today. Television. Here I have garbage. Small refrigerator. Pans. And here what we have. Okay. And the toilet. See the toilet. Toilet. Choo. Okay. Okay. Well, this one is that we find today.